Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning. Again, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are starting 3. As teams are already familiar with the rules, I'll straightway introduce the team members to you. Jeba and Surbi forming up Agatha Angels. Nikita and Aditi will be fighting it out for the Dazzling Angels. Tarun and Nitin will be showing their class for the Classical Angels. Shalvi and Ansika will show their inquisitiveness for the Inquisitive Angels. And straightway we are starting the buzzer round. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And here goes question number 1. Your question is, what is the sowing period of Kharif crop? Agatha Angels. Is not correct. You lose 5 marks. Question number 2. Don't be in unnecessary hurry. Hurry will always make curry. Okay? Do you like curry? Okay, in that case, be patient. Think before you press the buzzer. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And here is your question number 2. Question is, what is the jet season in India? Inquisitive Angels.
The season between Kharif and Rabi crops.
The season between Kharif and Rabi crops is called the jet season. 3 of the buzzer round. Be ready. Do not be in an unnecessary hurry. Think before you press the buzzer. And here is question number 3 for you. Question is, arrange the following in correct sequence regarding rainwater harvesting. 1. Pipes are connected to underground tanks. 2. Rocks and sand in the tanks filter the rainwater. 3. Rainwater from rooftops is collected using pipes. 4. Clean water is then available for drinking purposes. Now sequence them. Right? 3, 1, 2, 4 is absolutely correct. 10 marks. Question number 4, that is the last of the buzzer round. Do not be in unnecessary hurry. And your question is, it is the branch of science in which rearing of silkworms from the for the production of everyone was simultaneous, but classical angels were slightly ahead. Sericulture is correct. Cast an eye on the scoreboard. Which country is the biggest producer of tea in the world? India, Russia, China, Brazil.
China.
Is correct. 10 marks for you. Choose the odd one out. Wheat, peas, maize, barley. Is correct. 10 marks for you. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Paddy, wheat, jawar, bajra.
Ready.
Is not correct. Passes to you. Wheat is correct. 5 bonus marks for you. And your original question is, which of the following is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production? Jawar, wheat, rice, cotton. Jawar is correct. 10 marks for you. Starting with you. And your question is, tea and coffee crops are grown well on the dash. You have to fill in the blank. A. Plains. B. Coastal plains. C. River valleys. D. Mountainous slopes.
Mountainous slopes.
Is correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Slash and burn agriculture is known as dash in northeastern states. A. Zooming. B. Plamu. C. Milpa. D. Beaver. Is correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Which of the following is not an important plantation crop of India? A. Tea. B. Coffee. C. Rubber. D. Grapes. Grapes, after a bit of hesitation, is correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Which of the following is an important rabi crop? Cotton, paddy, wheat, jute. Wheat is correct. 10 marks for you. And question for you is, which of the following is a kharif crop? Cotton, paddy, jute, all of the above. All of the above is correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Which of the following crop takes almost 1 year to grow? Okay, you don't want options. Sugarcane is correct. 10 marks for you. You. Question is, important crops like paddy, maize, jawar, bajra, etc. are grown during which of the following seasons? Spring, summer, monsoon, winter.
Monsoon.
Monsoon. After a lot of deliberation and you are not at all confident, but the answer is correct. 10 marks for your team. Question for you. Os, Aman and Bodo are types of which crop?
Paddy.
You don't want options?
No.
Okay. You are getting 10 marks. Can you tell me the states where these 3 crops are taken?
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Assam.
Shabas. And your question is, which state is the leading producer of jawar?
Rajasthan. Please option.
Well, it passes to you. Which state is the leading producer of jawar? Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Is not correct, passes to you. Maharashtra is correct, you get 3 bonus marks. And your original question. Which of the following is associated with Indian agriculture? ICAR, ICCR, ICMR, ICWR.
ICAR.
Is correct, 10 marks for you. Question for you. What is the appropriate temperature required for the production of sugarcane? 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, below 20 degrees Celsius, above 50 degrees Celsius. Option A, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius is correct, 10 marks for you. Question for you. Choose the odd one out. Rice, moong, soybean, urad. Rice is the correct answer, 10 marks for you. I have completed the regulation round and let's have an eye on the scoreboard now. The rapid fire round, you will get 70 seconds to answer 7 questions, and if you answer all correct, you have good opportunity to collect 21 marks. So 70 seconds, 21 marks, 7 questions, and your time starts now. Bloodless Revolution was a movement initiated to provide land to landless farmers under Gramdan by Sardar Patel in India. Do you agree or disagree? Right? The right of inheritance leading to the division of land among successive generations has rendered land holding size uneconomical. True or false? Agriculture is a primary activity in which almost 2/3 of India's population is engaged. Am I serious or joking? Right? Which one is associated with Operation Flood? Green Revolution or White Revolution? Correct. Correct the statement. Cotton is known as golden fiber.
Jute is known as golden fiber.
Correct. Kharif crops are sown in winter. Is it straight or googly? 5 correct. Fill in the blanks. Assam, Darjeeling and West Bengal are the major blank producing states of India. T is correct. 6 correct. 6 3s are 18 added to your tally. Rapid fire round, 70 seconds, 7 questions, 21 marks to be scored. Your time starts now. HYV seeds need less water as compared to traditional seeds. Do you agree or disagree? Correct. Commercialization of agriculture has also led to withdrawal of groundwater at a large scale. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. Industries release harmful chemicals which do not contaminate water. Is it true or false?
False.
Is correct. People built gulls and kulls for irrigation in western Himalayas or eastern Himalayas.
Western.
Is correct. In the 1st century BC, Srinagar near Allahabad had sophisticated water harvesting system channelizing the flood water of the river Ganga. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Right? Expect the abbreviation of MNC.
Multinational corporations.
Correct. 6 attempted, all 6 are correct. This gives you 18 marks. 70 seconds, 7 questions, 21 marks. Your time starts now. Evidences of sophisticated irrigation works have also been found in Kaling, Nagarjunakonda, Bhimar and Kolhapur, etc. Do you agree, disagree?
Agree.
During the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, dams, lakes, irrigation were extensively built. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. In the period of 9th century, Agra Lake, one of the largest artificial lake of its time, was built. Am I joking or serious?
Joking.
Right? Agricultural fields which are converted into rain-fed storage structures that allowed water to stand and moisten the soil is known as jowards and khadins. True or false?
False.
Is incorrect. Who called dams as temples of modern India?
Jawaharlal.
It's correct.
Time.
Time up. Your time starts now. The slash and burn agriculture is known as beaver or dahiya in Chhattisgarh. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor-oriented farming where high doses of biochemicals inputs and irrigation are used. Name the farming pattern.
Intensive.
Absolutely correct. Rice is grown on the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. Am I joking or serious?
Joking.
Is correct. India produces dash% of horticulture in the world. 13% or 20%?
20%.
13% is correct. Correct the statement. Telangana is the largest producer of oil seeds in India.
China is the largest producer of oil.
Have an eye on the scoreboard. This we have concluded a well contested round number 3. All the teams fared really well, and I wish each one of you to do even better in your future 3 games. Wish you all the best. I'll be taking a leave with my best wishes.